Hi, today I show you how I repaired my headliner of my Volvo 760 sedan. First I had to repair or glue back together the pieces because it broke in half at the area of the sunroof, and I used glass fiber mats and epoxy glue. Two thicker layers from the backside and one very thin layer on the front side. And here at the moment I'm coating the whole material with acrylic primer, because otherwise the glue would suck into the material and maybe after some years your headliner fabric would come off again. Yeah, and that's how it looks with the whole acrylic. Ja, enjoy my face. Bro, ey, was geht? So, the fabric is like, it's not Alcantara, it's suede stuff, and it has an adhesive side on the back, but I used extra glue. This is 3M90 strong adhesive. And the fabric has already foam on the backside. It is 3 millimeters thick. I would not recommend thicker ones because the thicker ones are more for like seats and stuff. 3 millimeter is that what you need, or 2 to 3 millimeters, because when it gets thicker it is harder to, like in this moment, put it in the corners and make it look still sharp. Yeah, and don't use too cheap fabric. Spend a little bit more money on them, because you need some fabric that is it's a bit more flexible, to put it into the form of the headliner. And the cheaper ones, in my experience, are a bit too stiff and don't work very well at this whole edges and corners and stuff. Yeah, and the glue, yeah, I put it on like every 30 centimeters. Put glue on the headliner and also on the fabric to be double safe, and then wait like 5 minutes, and then you can put on centimeter by centimeter or however the fabric onto the headliner. Yes, that worked pretty well, but I would recommend maybe to get another person to help you. It makes it easier to hold like the fabric high and then put it part by part on the headliners. Yeah, and what can I tell you more? I would write into the description where I get this fabric from. It's a company in Germany, and the price is fine. I used 2 meters in the length of the fabric, and I think I paid like 120, 140 euros, also 120 or 140, around this. Yeah, and this part, I was recognizing that the glue also a bit disappears into the material, so I put 2 or 3 layers on it, so you can also put multiple layers if you have the feeling, okay, it's not sticky. And yeah, that's the result. I'm pretty happy. And yeah, I already cut out the part for the sunroof, but don't put it around the corners, because you have to do this when the headliner is mounted into your car, and then you lay the fabric around the edge of the sunroof cassette and yeah, like glue it on them. So, because it's holding on this edge. And yeah, I only put the fabric around the corners in the on the front and back, and at the sides I just cut it straight off, because it's like hidden by the trim, and yeah, it's also holded by the trim. So yeah, in the front actually too, there are also the two pieces. But yeah, it's just, it was easier for me to just put it around. Yeah, and then cut out the whole interior light stuff and so on. But be careful, do it step by step, not like, okay, cut it to the edge and then, oh no, it's too short now. Yeah. Also around the motor for the how is it called, the motor for the sunroof. Yes, and then it's fine. And I think I took around 2.5 to 3 hours for the whole fabric gluing onto the headliner process. Yeah, and then you have a nice new headline. And I hope I can build this thing in without breaking it again. That is not so easy in a sedan, but we will see. I'm really happy with the result. It looks amazing. I really love it. So let's see. I also re-upholstered the whole sunroof thingy. Yeah, but you will see in another video. Goodbye.